So here's my laundry basket. I just took it out from here. So let's do some laundry and put this away. So this is our Star Wars room. Cool, right? Our mom helped us decorate it and she organized everything here. Okay, so these are our drawers. This is mine. This is Blake's and this is Dylan's. So time to put some stuff away in my drawer.
3 hours later.
So this is the drawer. We organized everything. It looks so neat and I gotta say it's a pretty good job. I think me and my mom did a good job. High five. So yeah, this is a great thing to do so that next school, when school starts, we can have our clothes ready and then we could have a good school year.
All right, Logan, do you want to show them how you fold one of your shirts? Just take one out.
So I'm gonna use this one. Okay. So this one, so I'm gonna unfold it. All right, so if your shirt is like right here, I'm gonna show you how to fold it. So like, let's say it's on the floor. You can do this on the floor if you want, but I'd rather do it on like a top of a dresser. So over here is basically you're gonna wanna like make a book, kind of like with the two arm sleeves facing even the bottom, like really neat. Then what you wanna do is you wanna put the arm sleeve in, and then basically put one of the edges like this, two of the edges, and make it should look like a book, and then boom. And then you got this like neat little thin kind of piece of paper. And then when you come, put it back, and it should take you about like, I don't know, like a couple minutes to finish, like a couple seconds to just finish a whole pile of clothes. So this divider over here is the long sleeve winter and stuff. So over here, winter, we don't have anything because we have to go buy some winter stuff. And then over here we have a bunch of long sleeves. Okay, so then over here in the middle of the dividers is the short sleeve. This is kind of like my dress kind of short sleeve. It's not like I wear it all day. It's like a dress one, like if I'm going out or to like a park, stuff like that, I just wear this. And then my tees are over here. These are all my regular outfit. Like if I'm in the house, I could just wear these. Or if I'm going to my friend's house, I could just wear these or stuff like that. And then these are my sports. And yeah, I have 2 sports, but all the rest of them are like my active kind of, you know, daily. Like if I go to school and I'm like doing gym, I could wear these, you know. And then over here, my dress shorts, just like I said with the dress shirts, I just wear these for like church, probably like parties or anything like that. And over here is my soccer stuff, basketball things, some little shirts that I keep and jerseys I keep inside here. And then these are my long pants for winter and the fall, so I don't have to get cold and, you know, get sick. So this is basically all the drawers of my organized dresser. Now we're gonna look at my PJs and my underwear. Mom, I don't wanna look at my underwear, please. No, please. No, stop, cut. So this is my PJ drawer and underwear drawer and socks. A bunch of things you could call it. So I'm gonna start off with in the middle. There's no PJs, it's only my PJ shirt, which I'm wearing, which are right here. All of my PJs are right here. And this is the only PJ I'm wearing right now. Well, this is a t-shirt, but whatever. So these are all the ones I'm giving away or throwing out. Maybe my cousins could wear them. So yeah, and over here are my bathing suits. I use one of them for beaches, one of them I use for like lakes, and then one of them I just use for random pools in the area. And then over here are my thermals for the snow. When I go outside and I want to play in the snow, I use them so that I keep warm. Over here are all my socks. I probably need to get more socks for the whole year. And here are my underwears. Do not look at them, please don't. I don't know what's gonna be over here, but we'll figure that out. Okay, so I'm getting rid of a lot of stuff, as you can see. I might give it to my cousins, I might give it to my brothers, and stuff like that, or maybe I'll give it away to people that need clothes. And so yeah, so I have a bunch of big pile. I don't know what I'm doing to maybe put them in the bin or like a bag so I could give them away. So over here is a closet. So this is my closet. As you can see, my name. Wait, no.
Yep.
Yeah, my name is over here, Logan. In the back it says baby, whatever. So these are my like sweaters, my like dress, kind of like shirts, as you can see, and we have these things so like we know which one is ours, so we don't have to be like, which one is mine? I don't know which one fits me. So we have these, and then over here is my jeans, which I need to get new jeans. But we have a bunch of stuff for.
Yeah, you got rid of a lot of stuff because you're growing.
I'm like Michael Jordan right now. I'm almost to my mom.
Michael Jordan. All right, and then on the bottom you put your shoes, right?
Yeah. So we got all our shoes. All right, boys from across the globe, I don't care where you live, right now, your parents are getting crazy because once you hit middle school, once you hit high school, you have to do everything by yourself. You can't be like, Mom, can you pass me this? You have to do it yourself because once you go to college, you get a family and stuff like that. You have to do everything for yourself. So I'm asking you to please don't give your parents a big deal doing all your laundry, putting away all your clothes for you. Don't just do it for them. Don't say anything. Don't say, Mom, can you put my clothes away because I really need to find one of my clothes. Do not say that. I repeat, it is against the code rules of child life. So please do not do this. Just put away all your clothes. Just give away clothes that don't fit you. Maybe pass it on to your brothers, and boom. It's a really simple chore. Like, you should add it to your chart. We have a chart over there, but you should add this to your chart every day. Make sure you wear correct clothes. Put away all your clothes. So please do this. I'm begging you, please. This is the only way you will be able to do this.
And you'll make parents happy everywhere, right? If you keep organized, especially this mom. All right, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, closet is done. Now Blake and Dylan have to clean their closet. You think they're gonna do a good job?
Yes.